In this exercise we are seeing how to copy an angle, but first let us study the principle we are going to lean on. If we have two circumferences with the same radius and if we draw two congruent chords, one chord on each one, starting both on each point A, so both chords are the same length, this length C, the angles those chords create are exactly the same. The angles on these circumferences O1 and O2 are exactly the same span, and we can check it. This angle is about 44 degrees, and this other one is exactly the same span. If we want to copy this angle A on a semi-straight line starting on this point A the first, we have to lean on the fact that says that if on two circumferences with congruent radii we draw two chords of the same length, the angle they encompass is congruent too. So what we have to do is the following. We draw an arc, the radius we want, whose center is the vertex of the angle, so it intersects both the semi-straight lines that form the angle. Using point A the first, where we want to copy the angle as center and the same radius since it is a condition to draw congruent angles, we draw another arc of circumference. The arc drawn on the angle given intersects both semi-straight lines at 2 points, points 1 and 2, being the line segment that joins them the chord of the circumference, chord 1, 2. We take the length of the chord 1, 2 to the arc where we want to copy the angle 2 from this point 1 the first, so it meets the arc on this point 2 the first. This way we have satisfied both requirements. Both arcs have the same radius, and chords 1, 2 and 1 the first, 2 the first are the same length. So the angle that at point A the first, semi-straight line A the first, 1 the first form with semi-straight line A the first, 2 the first is congruent to angle A given.